Hello guys, today I'm reviewing about lavender patchouli Kama Ayurvedic shampoo. I have used many bottles of this shampoo in last few months. Finally I have a full size bottle now, so I thought I would review them. So as you can see the cute bottle of it is a very cute bottle. See, I have used 2 times, so it is this much. I have used it 2 times. You can see the written on the back what it is written: lavender patchouli hair cleanser, a mild hair cleanser. Yes, it is very mild. It is very mild. It is completely true which it claims, with amla hibiscus extracts. It has amla in it, hibiscus extracts, and pure essential oils of lavender and patchouli. And it has essential oils of lavender and patchouli. Yes, the top thing about this shampoo is its fragrance. When I apply it, and you can feel the fragrance for 3 to 4 days completely of lavender. This is like, and the fragrance is so good that if anyone is close to you, I think they will completely fall in love with you just for the fragrance. Okay, so lavender patchouli. Lavender soothes and calms the scalp. Yes, it completely calms. This is very true. And patchouli has antibacterial properties, so which is also good. This herbal blend naturally nourishes and protects hair while cleansing. So yes, it completely cleans your scalp. You have to apply it. If you have not used any oil in your hair, then you can just apply it once and just wash it off. Your scalp will be completely clean. But I think, for my experience, like if you have applied oil in your hair, then you have to at least wash your hair 2 times with it to completely remove the oil. And yes, its consistency is very mild, very runny consistency, so you need a large amount of it to completely clean your hair, which is a bit cons. So it costs 675 for 200 ml. This is my 200 ml bottle and it costs 600. So I was little worried about its ingredients because I thought it contains parabens and lots of chemicals in it. But the good stuff which I thought of this shampoo is, see, lavender, patchouli oil, hibiscus extract, amla. I don't have any issue with the shampoo up till now. I have never found any type of issue with it. My hair fall has also reduced. My hair has also started growing, which was not growing from 2 to 3 months. When I'm applying it, I'm seeing my hair has grown a lot. So it is a mild shampoo. You will never find that it is stripping off the moisture from your hair. It regains the moisture. The fragrance is its best.